In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between DigitalOcean Premium and Vultr High Frequency on Cloudways. If you manage websites, online stores, client projects, or WordPress applications, picking the right cloud provider underneath Cloudways can make a real difference in speed, stability, and cost. Instead of guessing, we're going to walk through the platform, compare the two providers clearly, and launch a server the right way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to cloudways.com. Sign in to your Cloudways account securely, then wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're inside the control panel, head to the top right area and click Launch Now. If your dashboard shows Add Server instead, click that to open the server provisioning screen. Next, we need to define the software layer for the server. Open the Select Your Application drop-down and choose the framework or app you want Cloudways to install for you. This could be the latest WordPress setup, a WooCommerce installation, or a custom PHP environment. This step matters because Cloudways uses your selection to prepare the server correctly from the start. Now let's compare DigitalOcean and Vultr, where pricing begins to matter. At the lower entry levels, both can look very similar in monthly cost. However, for most serious business websites, it makes more sense to focus on the higher performance tiers instead of the standard plans. On Cloudways, that means DigitalOcean Premium Droplets and Vultr High Frequency. At the popular 4GB RAM level, both are priced the same and both include Object Cache Pro at no extra charge, which adds excellent value. So how do you choose when pricing is close? The answer is hardware profile. DigitalOcean Premium uses Intel Xeon scalable processors with NVMe storage, and it benefits from strong platform integration within Cloudways. That often means smooth support for updates and reliable all-around performance. Vultr High Frequency uses fast AMD ePi-C processors and full NVMe storage. Because many WordPress and PHP tasks rely heavily on single core performance, Vultr often has an advantage for uncached page generation, database activity, and burst traffic on demanding sites like WooCommerce stores or membership platforms. After that, compare data center locations. DigitalOcean offers strong coverage in key global regions, while Vultr provides a much larger list of locations worldwide. If your audience is concentrated in a very specific region, Vultr may give you a closer server option and lower latency. Once you've made your choice, click either DigitalOcean Premium or Vultr High Frequency, select the RAM size you need, choose your preferred location, and click Launch Now. Cloudways will automatically build the server in the background. Finally, review your active server in the dashboard. Confirm the server details look correct, and check that CPU and memory usage are sitting at normal baseline levels. Once everything looks clean, you're ready for the next stage of deployment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.